You know, everyone says electric cars have no soul. But what if we took the literal king of JDM, the 90s Toyota Supra, and ripped out its beating heart, only to replace it with something electrified? Today, we aren't just bench racing. We're rebuilding an icon in 3 different timelines. By the end of this, you're probably going to be furious or impressed. Maybe both. Welcome to episode 1 of 90s Electric. We're going from a 90s tech what-if to a total sleeper build, and finally, a full 2026 modern reimagining. And yeah, we're keeping the curves that everyone loves. Let's dive in. Oh wait, let's make the Supra red first. That's better. Okay, let's go. But before the madness starts, we have to look at the legend we're messing with, the 1993 Supra. This is the baseline. The 2JZ GTE, 320 horse, strictly rear-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. In 1993, this car was out here hunting supercars for breakfast. It's balanced, it's iconic, and it's the standard we have to live up to. So, imagine it's 1995. A mad scientist decides the 2JZ is just too loud. So, he swaps it for a custom-built, industrial-grade forklift motor and some lead-acid batteries. The design stays mostly stock, but the hood is vented to air-cool those heavy batteries.
Keep an eye on the weight and mass box right there. We're pushing 4,200 pounds. Lead-acid batteries are a brute. It handles like a total brick, and you're lucky to get 40 miles of range. But check that torque number. 350 pound-feet? For 95, that's a serious punch.
Now, let's get serious. We take those iconic curves for days bodywork, but we put modern high-density lithium-ion cells in the floor. We keep the legendary silhouette, the wing, the nose, all of it. But the performance? Oh, it's way better.
We've stripped the weight back by switching to lithium. Look at the power jump on your screen right now. 670 horsepower from a single motor. You stomp the pedal and you're in 1998, but accelerating like a Tesla plaid. We've kept the soul, but upgraded the heartbeat.
Now for the final change. This is the 2026 Modern Vision. We've taken the iconic Supra shape but updated it with modern aero. It keeps that long hood and short rear deck that makes a Supra a Supra. The front has the signature triple LED headlights and some really aggressive air intakes.
Under that skin is a structural solid-state battery and dual axial flux motors. We managed to keep the weight down to 3,850 pounds, which is insane when you realize you've got 1,140 horsepower under your right foot. It's telepathic. The active aero and torque vectoring make it feel more agile than a 90s car ever could. This is how you respect the heritage.
So, we looked at the cyberpunk version, a pure 90s sleeper aesthetic, and the 2026 high-performance vision. All 3 keep that silhouette we love, but they're completely different animals. So, which one are you taking? Or are you a purist who thinks internal combustion is the only way? Drop a comment, I'll be reading them. What better way to wrap this up than a high-octane look at the cars? Also, obviously, AI was used here, and it's not always as smooth as the final render. Take a look at the mishaps at the end of the video. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.
Before the mad science, before the volt, just the stock king.